Hello everyone, welcome back to YVR Maths tutorial. In this video, I am going to discuss few one more questions from the chapter Continuity and Differentiability on the topic Differentiability, which are asked in the CBSE 2020 board exams in different regions in India. So in previous class, we discussed two problems from the topic Differentiability. Now I will discuss few more problems from the concept differentiability, that means basic problems from the topic differentiability. These questions also from the CBSE 2020 board exams only. Okay, if you are new to this channel or if you did not subscribe our channel, please hit the like button, subscribe and share with your friends. Without delay, let's begin the class. See here, in previous class, we discussed two problems from the concept differentiability. Now, this is the third question. If f of x is equal to over root tan of root x, then find the value of f dash of pi square by 16. So, observe carefully students, all the questions I am discussing here 2020 board exam questions only. That also one more questions. Okay, let us discuss solution for this question. So what is the given function here? Given function is f of x is equal to over root tan of root x. Now differentiate this one with respect to x. So if you observe the given function is in the form of root x. But inside the root we have a function. Instead of x we have a function. What is that function? Tan of root x. This tan of root x, if we consider as x, then this is in the form of root x. Then what is the derivative of root x? What is the derivative of root x? Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. So now I am going to write the derivative of this one. F dash x is equal to the derivative of f of x can be denoted as f dash x is equal to root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. What is the x here actually? Actually here x is a tan of root x. Here x is tan of root x into, here we considered this tan of root x as x. Just we considered this as x. That's why differentiate that x variable function. That means d by dx of tan of root x. D by dx of tan of root x. That is equal to 1 by 2 into over root tan of root x into, what is the derivative of this one? If you observe here, this function is in the form of tan x, but here instead of x we have root x. This root x, if we imagine as x, then this is in the form of tan x. Then what is the derivative of tan x? The derivative of tan x is secant square x. The derivative of tan x is secant square x. Then what we will get the next time? See here, tan x derivative secant square x, but what is x here? X is here root x into derivative of which function we considered as x variable. That function derivative we should write here. That means into d by dx of root x. That is equal to secant square root x by secant square root x as it is by 2 into over root tan of root x as it is into, what is the derivative of root x? What is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. That is equal to secant square root x by denominator 2 into 2, 4 root x into root of tan of root x. So this is the derivative of the given function, that is f dash x. But in question what they are asking? They are asking in question f dash of pi square by 16. F dash of pi square by 16. So in this differentiation part, if we substitute x is equal to pi square by 16, then we will get f dash of pi square by 16. Okay. Now look at this. Put x is equal to pi square by 16. Then what we will get? Then f dash of pi square by 16 is equal to, so in this part just I am going to substitute x is equal to pi square by 16. Then secant square over root pi square by 16 by 4 into over root pi square by 16 into over root tan of over root pi square by 16. So what I did, students, here just I substituted x is equal to pi square by 16. Just I substituted here x is equal to pi square by 16 in this differentiation part. Okay. Now if you observe here, x is equal to pi square by 16. Then root x is equal to what? Root x is nothing but root of pi by 4 whole square. Pi square by 16 can be written as pi by 4 whole square. Square root to get cancelled, then it will become pi by 4. So x is pi square by 16, then root x is pi by 4. Now what we will get here in the step? Secant square pi by 4 by 4 into pi by 4 into over root tan pi by 4. Over root tan pi by 4. Now we can substitute the value of secant pi by 4 and tan pi by 4. So before going to substitute secant pi by 4 and tan pi by 4, if we observe the denominator part, 4 get cancelled. Then what we will get the new step? See here, that is equal to numerator secant pi by 4 value root 2, secant pi by 4 value root 2 whole square is there by denominator pi into over root tan pi by 4 value 1. Tan pi by 4 value 1. Then that is equal to a numerator root 2 whole square is 2 by pi into root 1 is 1 only. So therefore, what is the final answer? Therefore, f dash of pi square by 16 value is 2 by pi. So this is the final answer for the given question. I hope you understand. Let us discuss one more question. Look at this question. If y is equal to f of x square and f dash x is equal to e power root x, then find the value of dy by dx. Okay, let us discuss solution for this question. So what is the given function here? The given function is f of x or y is equal to f of x square. And they given one more function, that is f dash x is equal to e power root x. This is the given data. So first of all, we can differentiate the function y is equal to f of x square with respect to x. So differentiate this one with respect to x. Then what we will get? Y derivative is dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to f of x derivative is f dash x into derivative of x square is d by dx of x square. So what I did, students, here observe carefully. F of x derivative is f dash x square. Here x square I am considering as x. Then this is f of x. F of x derivative is f dash x square into derivative of which function we considered as x, that function derivative, that is d by dx of x square. Okay. Now that is equal to f dash of x square into what is the derivative of x square? 2x. So this is dy by dx value. This is dy by dx value. Now we need to identify the value of f dash of x square. For that they given one condition in question. This is f dash x, but we need f dash of x square. So check here, f dash of x square is equal to e power over root x square. That means in this function, if we substitute x is equal to x square, then we will get f dash of x square. Then e power square root get cancelled, it is e power x. Now what is the value of f dash of x square? F dash of x square is e power x into 2x. So what is the final answer? Therefore dy by dx is equal to 2x into e power x. So this is the final answer for the given question. I hope you understand. Let us discuss one more question. Look at this question. If y is equal to tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, then find dy by dx. Then find dy by dx. So let us discuss solution for this question. So So what is the given function here? They given y is equal to tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. But we know the basic properties from inverse trigonometric functions. Tan inverse x plus a cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus a cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So by using this identity, what is the given function? And the given function is y is equal to pi by 2. So this is our new function based on this property. Now differentiate this one with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So the derivative of y can be denoted as dy by dx. Here pi by 2 is the constant. Pi by 2 is the constant. Any constant derivative is 0. Any constant derivative is 0. So that's why the answer is 0. Therefore, dy by dx for the given function is 0. I hope you understand. Let us discuss one more question. Look at this question. Differentiate sine square root x with respect to x. Let us discuss solution for this question. So what is the given function? The given function is sine square root x. Now I will consider the given function as y. So let y is equal to sine square root x. Now differentiate this function with respect to x. Differentiate this function with respect to x. Then the derivative of y with respect to x can be denoted as dy by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of sine square x? Now if you observe here, sine square root x can be written as sine of root x whole square also. Okay, now if you observe here, sine of root x term, if we consider as the variable x, then this is in the form of clearly x square. X square is nothing but x power n form. Then what is the derivative of x power n? The derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. So by using this formula, how we can write this one? 2 times of sine of root x into which function we consider as x, that function derivative. That means d by dx of sine of root x. D by dx of sine of root x. That is equal to 2 sine of root x into, how we can find the derivative of sine of root x? How we can find the derivative of sine of root x? Here the angle of sine ratio is root x. So root x alone if we consider as x, then this is sine x form. Then what is the derivative of sine x? The derivative of sine x is cos x. The derivative of sine x is cos x. Then what we will get here? Cos of root x into d by dx of which function we considered as x, that function derivative. That means d by dx of root x. That is equal to 2 sine of root x into cos of root x into, what is the derivative of root x? What is the derivative of root x? Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Then what we will get here? 1 by 2 root x. So if we observe here, 2 sine of root x into cos of root x, how we can write? By using trigonometric identities or formulas, 2 sine a into cos a is equal to sine 2a. Sine 2a. This is the formula from trigonometry. So based on that formula, what we will get the final answer? Sine 2 into a. What is a here? Root x into 1 by 2 root x. So the final answer is sine of 2 root x by 2 root x. So this is the derivative of the given function. So this is the final answer for the given question. I hope you understand. Let us discuss one more question. Look at this question. Y is equal to x into mod x, then what is f dash x? So this is very interesting question, an important question. y is equal to x into mod x, then what is f dash x? Let us discuss solution for this question. So what is the given function here? The given function is y is equal to x into mod x. Y is equal to x into mod x. So from functions chapter, we know what is the modulus function definition. We know that mod x is equal to plus x if x is greater than 0 and minus x if x is less than 0 and is 0 if x is equal to 0. So this is the modulus function definition from relations and functions chapter in 11th standard. Now I am going to apply this formula or definition to find the derivative of a given function. Okay, so look at here, y is equal to x into mod x. Mod x is what? For mod x we have these conditions. So the y function we will get like this. See here, x into mod x is equal to x when if x is greater than 0. Suppose if x is less than 0, then what we will get? X into mod x is minus x. Suppose x is 0, then what we will get the new function? X into 0. Okay, now y is equal to x squared, x into x, x squared if x greater than 0, and here x into minus x squared if x is less than 0, and here x into 0 is 0 if x is equal to 0. So this is our new function. So actually this is the given function y is equal to x into mod x. Now by using this modulus function definition, we got this new function. Now we can differentiate this one with respect to x. So differentiate this function with respect to x. Then the derivative of y with respect to x can be written as dy by dx is equal to, here what is the derivative of x square? The derivative of x square is nothing but a derivative of x power n form. What is the derivative of x power n? N into x power n minus 1. So by using this formula, the derivative of x square is 2x. When this is the derivative? If x is greater than 0. Next, if y is equal to minus x square, then what is the derivative? Minus x square derivative is 2x. So then the derivative of y function is minus 2x when if it is x less than 0, and the 0 derivative is 0 only if x is equal to 0. So instead of writing these three different cases, we can write like this. See here, dy by dx is equal to 2x if x greater than or equal to 0, minus 2x if x is less than 0. What I did here? This 0 case and greater than case, both I wrote here as one case. So this is the derivative of given function with respect to x. So this question in board exam point of view, they will ask in different ways. How they will ask means, if y is equal to x into mod x, here x is greater than 0, then what is dy by dx? And one more way, if y is equal to x into mod x, here x is less than 0, then what is dy by dx? Like this also they will ask the question in board exam. Okay, so then what to do? Instead of writing two cases, we can follow only one case. If it is greater than 0 case, we can follow greater than 0 definition. If it is a less than 0 case, then we can follow less than 0 case. Okay, so be careful students, this type of problems very important for your board exam point of view. So this type of questions they asked in 2020 board exam. I hope you understand. Thank you.